Top 10 Greatest Big Cats, Majestic Predators of the Wild. Hi there, nature enthusiasts. We're about to go out on an exciting journey to discover the world of big cats, those mighty predators that control the wild with unmatched beauty, elegance, and might. Prepare to meet the top 10 largest felines in the world, who demand respect and admiration wherever they go. At number 1, the mighty lion. We have the king of the jungle, the magnificent lion. With their iconic mane and powerful roar, lions are the epitome of strength and pride in the animal kingdom. Male lions are easily recognized by their majestic manes. The size and color of a lion's mane can indicate its age and overall health. Darker manes are often associated with higher testosterone levels. Coming in at number 2 is the elusive tiger. We have the largest cat species on Earth, the majestic tiger. With its striking coat and piercing eyes, the tiger commands respect and admiration wherever it roams. Taking the third spot is the stealthy leopard. Slipping silently through the shadows, the leopard is a master of stealth and agility. With its beautiful spotted coat and unparalleled climbing skills, the leopard is a true hunter of the night. At number 4 is the graceful cheetah. Known as the fastest land animal on Earth, the cheetah is a marvel of speed and grace. With its sleek body and distinctive tear marks, the cheetah is built for lightning-fast pursuits and breathtaking chases. Taking the 5th spot is the solitary jaguar. Roaming the dense jungles of South America, the jaguar is a solitary and elusive predator. With its powerful jaws and stunning rosette markings, the jaguar is the apex predator of the Amazon rainforest. At number 6 on our list is the adaptable cougar. Found throughout the Americas, the cougar, also known as the mountain lion or puma, is a master of adaptation. With its sleek build and keen senses, the cougar thrives in a variety of habitats, from mountains to forests. At number 7 is the enigmatic snow leopard. In the high, remote mountains of Central Asia, the elusive snow leopard reigns supreme. With its thick fur and padded paws, the snow leopard is perfectly adapted to its icy habitat and is a symbol of resilience in the face of adversity. Taking the 8th spot on our list is the clouded leopard. Hailing from the dense forests of Southeast Asia, the clouded leopard is a mysterious and endangered species. With its beautiful cloud-like markings and arboreal lifestyle, the clouded leopard is a true gem of the jungle. At number 9 is the powerful Eurasian lynx. In the vast forests of Europe and Asia, the Eurasian lynx prowls with silent determination. With its tufted ears and impressive hunting skills, the Eurasian lynx is a formidable predator and a symbol of wilderness. And finally, at number 10 is the agile African serval. Rounding out our list is the African serval, a small yet mighty cat with a talent for catching prey. With its long legs and spotted coat, the African serval is a master of the grasslands and wetlands of Africa. And there you have it, fellow wildlife enthusiasts, the top 10 greatest big cats that roam our planet with unmatched beauty and ferocity. Which big cat is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awe-inspiring adventures in the wild. Until next time, keep exploring.